Just allow the Spirit of God to search over your lives. Ebeneza Nkosi yami ungihole kwaze kwala. Ungihole kwaze kwala. Kunendvodza lesoholile. Iliso lakhe liyabona. Wonderful Jesus. Uhola imindeni lesikiyo. Uhola kukholwa kwethu Pawula uthi labanye bafelwe ngumkhumbi wokukholwa. Mbongeni uNkulunkulu ukuthi umkhumbi wokukholwa ukafi. Lamanye emave abakuvumela uphathe iBhayibheli. Thank God for Swaziland. Ebeneza Nkosi usihole kwaze kwabala. Asimshale intandla uNkulunkulu Nkosi yami, asimshale intandla bazalwane. Simshale intandla. Thank you Jesus. Uyasihola uNkulunkulu. Singeke sithi Ebeneza bese uNkulunkulu usho lokunye yena. Sonke sibofakazi la. Good, he has been good. Every day, every hour, you are faithful to me. Every you to me. Every day, every hour, you are faithful to me. Every day, every hour, you are faithful to me. Every day, every hour. Talk to you, Jesus. You are just telling him. You say every day, every hour, you are faithful, Jesus. You are talking to the King of Zion. Say every day, every hour. Oh. Begile Sasua Namalama Agala Sani Agasiani Sasua Namalama Kosia Sambegile Sasua Sambagile Sasua Namalonga Hamalonga Sambagile Sasua Namalonga. We are Sabega Mulugu Sambagile Sasua. Every day, every hour, you are faithful to me. Every day, Ulungu, you are faithful to me. Sambagile Sasua Namalonga Agalatani Agasiani Sasua Namalonga Wonga Namalonga Kosia Kunendo Tesola. Every day, every hour, you are faithful to to me. Namalama angosya sambegile namalama namuchesu agalahlani awebeneza Nkosi usibole kwaze kwabala. Siyabonga Nkosi.